Welcome to another recipe in Real Nice Guyana here, guys. Today we're going to be making another parsad, but today we're going to be making a cream of wheat parsad. There is the flour parsad, also the cream of wheat. We've had some requests for the cream of wheat version of the parsad. Some people think that this tastes a lot better than the regular flour parsad. So today we're going to be doing that here. And for this recipe here, we have some ghee there. We have the cream of wheat, 1 can of evaporated milk. We're going to be using some sugar, some maraschino cherries. We have some cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cardamom. And that's all we need here, guys. So let's get started. So Molly is cutting up the cherries into smaller pieces there to add to our cream of wheat parsad here. And this is optional, guys. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. And we're heating up some water here, to which we're going to add our cloves and our cinnamon sticks, as we did with our parsad video, the same way. So in goes our cinnamon stick and the cloves in there. She's also adding the cardamom in there, and the sugar. So this here is the syrup, which is also called the pag. So we're just gonna let that come to a boil for a bit. And we're gonna get the flavors from all those spices in there, the cardamom, the cinnamon, and the cloves in there in the syrup. You can also add these directly to your parsad if you like. Some people do it that way. It's just a matter of preference, whichever you like. To begin here, Molly is going to add the ghee to our karahi here. So you're just going to let that melt. Okay guys, so our ghee has melted here. And Molly is going to continue here. She's now going to add the cream of wheat here. Okay, so she just added all the cream of wheat there. And you got to keep stirring this here now. So we've had our stove on medium here all the time, guys, for this process here. And you want to turn this here, keep turning this here until it gets a bit of color. Okay guys, so we have our stove on a medium heat here. So if you have your stove on a medium heat, it's going to take a little less time than if you have it on low heat, but it's required to have a medium to low heat for this initial process of parching the cream of wheat here. And this has gotten a bit of color here, and this is okay. This took roughly about 10 minutes for us, but as I said, depending on how high your heat is, it's going to take a bit longer or a bit less time for you. Okay guys, so Molly is adding the pot here now. And that's the milk. And you just want to keep stirring until everything evaporates. And that's the maraschino cherries. Okay guys, so we added our syrup on our milk here. You're just gonna keep it on the stove and just to get the consistency that you want for it to absorb those liquids quickly. So I think that's it there. I think that's good there because this is really hot right now. So once it cools off a bit, it's gonna get a little bit more stiffer, and that should be okay. But that's it there guys. That's your crepe of wheat Parsad. Okay guys, so here it is. And as I said, a lot of people like this more than the regular Parsad with the regular flour. Says this tastes a lot nicer. So there it is guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please click the bell next to the subscribe button, which allows you to get instant notifications. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.